Is underway. No rest for the superstar facing off against the numbers game.
If I had $1 million that could make any kind of match, it would be this. Two opponents at the same time, man. Quick takedown there.
Courage is on display when a competitor takes on a handicap match. It's a guaranteed tough night at the office.
It takes...
She counters it. Here we go again.
Boom! Fire back with that elbow. Rhea Ripley. Wait a minute. Time. This could be a decisive moment. Undertaker. Well-placed elbow fights that off. And just like that, avoiding surefire disaster.
The world.
And he's taking this to the outside now.
He's channeling some hardcore legends, grabbing that kendo stick.
As this match goes on, is there any self-doubt running through the minds of these competitors?
You can't even allow that notion to creep into your head. You have come too far and fought too hard to grow weak now.
Connecting.
Drop kick from behind. Oh, the jaw getting rattled.
Oh, baby, what a roundhouse.
What a boot.
Down with the leg drop.
Ripley unloading on her opponent.
Rhea is seizing every opening.
Driven down with a sidewalk slam.
That raw power Rhea possesses was held in check there. And that was an efficient form of offense with that move. Rhea Ripley setting up her opponent. Here it comes.
Riptide. That's a match-winning move, guys.
Wards that off. Rhea Ripley.
Riptide. Oh, the pay window is calling.
No surprise that what we're witnessing is trending.
Forget trending on social media. The motion in the arena is charting on the Richter scale.
No count out as he takes things out of the ring.
Ooh. Choke slam.
Ooh, nothing fancy with that boot. Sliding into the ring now. Snapmare.
And hard blow to the mug.
Bam! She flipped that attack around.
The crowd is fired up. Undertaker is fired up.
Stops that offense from connecting.
Kick to the gut. Here it comes. That's got to be a wrap.
Oh, what a clubbing blow.
Taken now with that vice grip applied. Crashing down with a choke slam.
Moves from the ring to the outside. No clue what he hopes to find down there.
And now we've got a steel chair in the mix.
Heads outside the ring.
And no countouts means he can take his time.
We gotta clear the way. They're getting dangerously close to getting in my personal space, man.
Totally helpless at the moment.
Tombstone from The Undertaker.
That might just do it.
And listen to this place. Just something about the aura of The Undertaker that you truly have to see up close to believe.
Rocking the jaw.
He's really feeling all the damage he's taken up till now.
But it has been an impressive run so far in this elimination match. Only now taking really...
The time has a...
Just blasting back with an elbow to the face.
go down like that. Oh, I think we're about to see something explosive.
Back into the ring now. Off the welts already forming from that kendo shot. Boom. That puts her on the offensive. Boom.
She evades the attack.
Turns it around. He's looking banged up here, guys.
Avoided any damage there.
And that was taking the attack to the competition with that one.
Just a battering strike.
This is a situation you want to avoid.
Scoop slam sets things up.
Oh, man.
Just dropping down with the big leg there.
Going outside. What's he got planned here?
Now heading outside. Textbook neck breaker.
The dead man taking a moment to compose himself.
And just eating a knee on the reversal.
Taken to the floor, and he's got no worries about the count. What a match this has been. What a fight.
And we are all glad to be witnessing such an extraordinary match tonight.
Looks like he's coming back in.
We're going to fight out with some big punches.
Reversal after reversal. Mommy is in control. Connects with a riptide. Got to take full advantage of this right now.
He's looking to take things to the outside now. Ooh, she puts the break.
Rhea Ripley gonna set it up. Here we go.
Tied.
Using the big guns. That has to do it.
There's two. And that's it. Thanks for coming.
Oh, gosh, the ref getting caught in the crossfire.
Nobody.
Oh, saw it coming and got an elbow for their trouble.
With the DDT.
Had it scattered and met with a back elbow. Caught with a knee. Oh, and it's reversed. Boom! And a big boot.
And averting damage there.
With that kendo stick. Big headbutt. Gonna follow it up.
Razor's edge.
Rhea Ripley with the riptide. An explosive attack. Is it enough?
Two. No, he beats the count.
Taker tapping into something dark here to kick out of that one.
Rhea Ripley's best shot couldn't end this, and you've got to wonder what's next.
Defenses are sharp with this series of reversals.
And what need is there to go looking under the apron like this?
And she's wasting no time kicking things up by bringing this chair into play.
Undertaker facing some trouble.
You can bet the dead man won't rest here.
Chop, chop.
Brought back into the ring from the floor now. Covered late in the match.
That's gotta be it.
Kick out! Kick out! He kicked out!
This match has been incredible. And lucky for us, it still continues.
Right on top of the dome.
Looking to explore things ringside now. He gets back into the ring.
A vicious boot.
Watch out. Tossing those steel steps like they're nothing.
Great aim on the toss chair.
Struggling to find a base. Time could very well be running out.
Able to steer clear of danger there.
Oh, she retaliates.
That was a gnarly evening, man. We know those chairs don't have any give. Just cold steel connected hard with flesh there, man.
God, Lord, brutally swinging that steel chair.
Headbutt on the mark. Way up high.
Oh, crucifix bomb.
Put in the corner now.
Getting him up. Rhea Ripley. She's gonna do it. She's gonna go for it. Here we go.
Riptide from Ripley.
We've seen that in so many matches. This could be another.
What a performance and what a win. And what made that handicap match one of the best ever.